Hello my viewer, welcome to another inspection today. So today I'll be showing you this 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex with a BQ in Lekki Scheme 2. We all know that Lekki Scheme 2 is a government development area where you don't have the issue of homonile, the issue of governments grabbing your land or destroying your property. All right, so let's take a look at the street and see how the street is well paved. You can see this is a very well paved street and they have drainage all around the estate. You can see the drainage, you cannot experience flood in this area. All right, this is a flood free zone. Right, look at the beautiful property we have around. Look at the road is well paved and is very close to the gate because this is a mini estate inside Lekki Scheme 2. You can see it's very close to the gate of the estate. All right, so now let's go in now and see what we have inside. So this is the compound. So let's take a look at the compound space. You can see the compound is very big. So this place you can park 2 cars, or if you have a truck you can park your truck here conveniently, and down there you can park 3 cars. So tentatively you can park 4 cars in this compound. Okay, over there is the security post for your personal security, and this is for your cylinder outside. This is where you put your cylinder. So it also comes with a meter for you to check the level of your gas. All right, everything is well installed for you. That's the security post for your security, for your personal security. And this is the exit of the kitchen. So we're going to check that later when we go in. This is the exit door. So let's check the BQ. This is the space at the back. It comes with this borehole. Let's take a look at the boys quarter. This is the boys quarter. This is for your maid. This is where you can keep your maid as well. So let's check. You can see the room is spacious to accommodate 4x4 bed. It's also en suite. So this is the toilet and bathroom. Let's go. So now we are good to go in now to check what we have inside. So let's start from here. So we have this beautiful and very simple chandelier at the entrance, you can see, and we also have this CCTV camera up there. You can see the CCTV camera up there. So we have it at the back as well. So let's go in now and check what we have inside. Oh, so welcome to this beautiful 4-bedroom semi-detached. So this is the living room. You can see the living room is well spacious. So you have enough space for your furniture and some other stuff that you want to keep. So this is the space for your TV. You have this whole space for your furniture. Okay, and this is the guest toilet. This is the guest toilet for your guests. And this is the kitchen. So let's take a look at the kitchen. So it comes with this 4-phase burner. This is not 5-phase. It comes with this heat extractor, and this place is for your double door fridge. You have this place for your washing machine. So this is where you can put your washing machine. This is the exit door I showed you earlier. Let me open. So this place leads to the back. This is the pantry for your food item and some other item that you like to put in the pantry. Okay, you have this zinc for you and double window for ventilation in the kitchen. So this is the guest room downstairs. You can see it's roomy. It's also en suite. So this is the toilet and bathroom. It comes with WC, standing cubicle shower and wash and basin. All right, so let's go. Back to the living room, you can see we have a very nice chandelier in the living room together with the P.O.P design. You can see the P.O.P design is also nice. It comes with rope light as well as spotlight. So this is the railings. This is 100% iron railings. So this is one of the best railings you can get. Okay, so let's go up and see what we have upstairs, the 3 rooms and the family lounge. So welcome to the family lounge. You can see this place has door. So this door separates you from your guest on the ground floor. So should in case you don't want any other person to have access to the 3 room upstairs, maybe the master, the other room, the madam's room, you can close this door. All right, so you can close it so that nobody will have access to the rooms upstairs. So it's very rare for you to get this. So this is the family lounge. You can see the family lounge is also spacious. From the family lounge, you have access to this balcony. So right from the family lounge, you can just walk into the balcony. It has 2 balconies. We have one from the family lounge and we have another one from the master bedroom. Okay, let's take a look at this one. So you have this view right from this balcony. You can see the streets. Look at how calm the street is. Look at the beautiful view you have around. All right, so this is where you can just relax and take fresh air from the family lounge to the balcony. Okay, so let's take a look at the other rooms. So now this is room number 2. You can see the room is also big enough. We have enough ventilation, and that's the wardrobe. Okay, let's check the AC piping. The AC piping is well installed for you, so you can see it. And this is the toilet and bathroom. It comes with wash and basin, and it also comes with walk-in shower as well. It comes with WC. Everything complete. So let's go. Let's check room number 3. Yeah, so this room number 3, this is the standard room. This room is massive. You can't see how big the room is from the camera, but if you come for inspection, you will see it well how big it is. It's a standard room. This room number 3. So let's check the toilet and bathroom. So this is the toilet and bathroom. It comes with walk-in shower, WC, and look at the P.O.P design. A very simple P.O.P design, and it comes with a flat chandelier. So this is the wardrobe. The wardrobe is on the right hand side of the entrance. All right, so now we've checked number 1, 2, 3 rooms. So this is room number 4, happens to be the owner's suite. So let's take a look. You can see this is massive. This is massive master bedroom. You have that space. You have this place for yourself as well. So you can see how big it is. So and we have this wardrobe here. The wardrobe starts from here down to the end, and it also has a shoe rack. So this is the bedroom. The bedroom comes with jacuzzi. It comes with this beautiful wash and basin. It comes with a WC, and we also have this water heater well installed for you. All right, so let's go. Let's check the balcony. So from this master bed, we have access to the balcony. We have 2 balconies, one from the family lounge and the other one from the master bedroom. So you can see the balcony is wide, and you have this beautiful town view. Okay, so look at the beautiful edifice you have around. You can see it's a very nice environment that you can think of. Okay, so and it's well secure, very close to the main gate, just by the main gate of the estate. Okay, this will be the end of our inspection today. If you'd like to inspect this property, call the number on the screen, and I'll be very glad to take you around until you get your dream home. I remain your number 1 trusted real estate consultant in Lagos City. Ibrahim Modu is my name. See you in the next video. Cheers.